Hello friends, welcome to ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today I'm going to discuss answers of two questions. Number one is what according to Northrop Frye is systematic criticism, and second I'm going to discuss how does it become a science. So, friends, let's get started. And before starting, thanks a lot from the core of my heart for being a part of my family. And it is going to be a huge family. So, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel to get notifications about this. So, let's get started. Northrop Frye begins the essay Archetypes of Literature by pointing out that science is a systematic and an organized body of knowledge, and nature is the object of its study, right? Similarly, literary criticism is also a systematized and an organized body of knowledge, and literature is the object of its study. Literary criticism is a study of literary criticism is a study of literature, and we can know literature only through literary criticism. Literary criticism, being a systematized body of knowledge, is at least partly a science. In the modern age, there is no dearth of literary criticism, which has a nature of science. Our first step is to recognize and get rid of meaningless criticism, that is, talking about literature in a way that can't help to build up a systematic structure of knowledge. So, this kind of scientific criticism is centrifugal, that is, it takes us away from literature, which is its center of study. Again, a literary critic at present has to depend upon history and philosophy, which provides a sort of background to critical study. It is therefore essential that there are some principles of organization so that criticism may acquire the status of an independent science which studies literature. Such a factor can be provided by the archetypes of literature, hence arises the importance and significance of the archetypal approach. Such a pattern would make a criticism to art what philosophy is to wisdom and history is to action, right, friends? Most of the literary criticism takes the form of commentaries on the work of art. Many of such commentaries are meaningless. Our first step is to recognize and get rid of such meaningless criticism. There is another kind of criticism which is more serious and which studies an impact of the book on the reader. Approach of such critics is textual, and the work of art always remains at the center of their study. And they seek to teach literature through structural analysis of the work concerned. A great work of art is always complex and ambiguous, and a structural study clarifies and explains these complexities and ambiguities. They may take help from history or philosophy, but the work of art is always kept and recentered. The one of great weakness to such textual approach is that of ignoring the background totality. It does not provide any explanation as to how the structure came to be. It merely analyzes that structure. A principle that coordinates both the background and structural approach is therefore the urgent need of the hour. Such a positive organizing principle can be provided by the archetypal approach, right? If systematic criticism is developing in a day, and the fact is not at least an arcanism, literary criticism is now in the process of assuming a distinctive individual form of its own. Two methods of maybe followed by the critics of literature. First one is there may be structural analysis of art, and on the basis of such analysis, the critic may proceed inductively, that is from the particular truth to the general truth. And second one is second method is deductive. First one is inductive method, that is from the particular truth to the general truth, and the second is deductive, that is to say that of drawing particular truth from the general truth, right? So friends, this is all about today's topic. I hope you will like the content, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and if you're not my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications from our upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.